Okay, so we need to fix something today. It's something from our kitchen. The motor is working, but here is something happening with this coupling. It feels like there is no more power, and it's looking like one of the wheels it's lost or loose or something. The point is that I really don't know how to open up this guy. Okay, well, it wasn't so bad, in fact. Let's see what we got here. Of course. So this is a kind of mechanical problem. You see, we have a gear case. How we can take this off? No info about, so I have to try to find a solution. Nothing to do here. What about this guy? No. What about here? With a little determination and force and brute force, I could manage to dismantle this head, and you can see this very clear. This was just glued in place like that. Okay, and inside here we have a kind of planetary system, and this one comes in. No, it's not that one. Okay, this one goes back in the base. Have this washer, and what is next? Okay, and the problem is one of these wheels. Where are you? There it is. This one got loose from the main axle. All we have to do now is to apply some epoxy and to have this guy back in place. Now, the single problem is, which is the right position here? So I believe it's like that. Okay, this one comes right in this position. All right, so doesn't bother me. We don't need too much. There we go. How can we do that? Well, I think I'm gonna fill the axle first. Okay, and a little bit inside here too. Well, I don't think I need to have some more in there. Oh, we have a problem. Do you see the problem there? The wheel is broke. There is a gap into the plastic. Nothing to do with epoxy. Okay, guys, so once again I found that nothing in life is easy. A simple epoxy on the axle doesn't help, so we'll try all the molding method. That's the single way to replace this part, because obviously there will be no service, no guarantees can fix you this. Anyway, it's not a new device, so I don't expect anything. But at least we can try with the mold. Twice in a few, okay, in a week or something. Remember, I fixed that key or peg. Let's see what we can do. It's looking pretty okay in here. Now let me see if I can take it out properly. How can I take it out? That's a good question. Okay, so trying to have a mold with this kind of clay, it's almost impossible. Now I'm trying something else, and this is wax, you know. This is a normal candle, and let's see if I succeed to melt this and to insert this one in there. But first let me clean it, and I'll have a piece of wire in there just to have a kind of retrieve, if I may call it like that. Oh yes. Perfect. Well, I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, I believe it's way too much. But what can I do? Yeah, let's see. That should be better. There we go. Let's wait for the box to get solid again. Well, guys, my my project with having a mold, a wax mold, doesn't look good. That's the result. It's awful. So it's gone. Let's go to the next step and we'll drill a hole in between this guy, the wheel and the axle, and stuck those things together somehow. Okay, so that's the wheel and that's the axle. Let me see how we can get this together in a proper position. So oh no, back there. Perfect. This is good now. Let me see how can I put the things together. So I need an axle or something. Let's see. This should be okay. Absolutely, yes. Yeah. We are in the best position ever. All I have to do now is to get me some piece of wire. Okay. Yes. And there is no way for this piece of wire to get out of there because it's already kept inside this wheels here. I think I need a positioning, and that's the position here. Yeah, that should be. And I have some super glue over there, and that's all for good. That's the single way to fix these things. Yeah, super glue, crazy glue, different names. So far it's working. Well, pretty noisy, of course it is. But now, if we push it down here, let's see. Working. Well, I believe that's it for today. This is a fix. We'll see how long it's working. That's the question. But of course, like always, be creative, find solution. There is always a fix to anything. And the most important thing, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.